Hey guys, this is Krishna from Digital Contouring, and today's in this particular session we will going to learn how you can remove background from the Canva effectively. So let's get started. So now I am in the Canva dashboard and I selected from here. You can take the create design and you can take any dimension. I just selected Instagram post for this particular design, and now here is my screenshot, and I wanted to remove the background from this particular design. For that you just need to take images, photos. You can upload photo directly from here, or you can take from the Canva library itself. So you can remove background in one click. Let's see how we can do that. From here, just you need to select your image, photo, and then from the effect section, this tool. Here you can see the background remove option. You just need to click here and it will automatically remove the background in one go. So now it's removed. Once we remove the background, we'll get the image that without background. Then we will see how we can use this effectively, background remove tool. Now you can see this part is unwanted part is here, so we wanted to remove that so that we can get the perfect image that without having background. So here you can see two options, erase and restore. So now we will see how we can use this tool, these two options. So from here we can select this erase option, and you just need to adjust brush size according to your how much you wanted to remove the portion from that. And from here you can zoom in and zoom out this particular design or your photo. You can remove unnecessary or unwanted part from your design like this, and you just need to press done, and then you will get this particular design. And suppose you want to restore some portion from this particular design, then you can just need to select restore option, and from here just selected on the done, and now you can restore. So suppose I wanted some portion from this particular area, so just I'll select the restore button, and then you can adjust brush and like this, and now we will see this portion on our design. Once you apply done here, just need to click apply, then you will get this restore, and you can remove unwanted part from this particular design. So that's it guys for this today's session. I just wanted to share how you can remove effectively from the Canva. I hope you like this video and have a nice day. Bye bye.